Running Jenkins on top of a Docker container is pretty straightforward. We have to download the desired image from the Jenkins portal. We will copy this entry and will open a terminal. Let's pull the image. Let's wait until the image to be downloaded. Docker images will list out the images and this is our image ID. Let us create a container. Docker run --name is going to be Jenkins, then -p 8080, which the users will be interacting, and -p 50,000. It's a random port that I have selected because we may be performing some high capacity build programs. By that time, the existing container may not be sufficient. We may need some Windows machines or Linux machines to furnish that requirement. Those machines are called agents. So the agents need to interact with the Jenkins. So using the port number 50,000, it will interact. Also make sure that you will be updating this particular port in your corporate firewall as well so that the Jenkins can interact with the agents. Make sure that you would be selecting the TCP port as well. Okay, then let's mention the image ID here and it is going to be executed. Well, and we have some initial passwords. That password is here. Let's open our Jenkins server, http :/localhost 8080. If you look at the terminal, we have the first password here. I'm going to paste that password here. Now we have to select the plugins to install. I'm going to install suggested plugins. Necessary plugins are already installed. Let's select the username as admin and I will give the password as admin, and again I will confirm that. Here I will mention Melvin and I will mention my mail ID as well. Okay, we are ready to proceed. I don't want to save anything and Jenkins URL is going to be 8080. Perfect. Well, we have installed the Jenkins and the portal is ready. That's it for now. We will see in the next session and thank you so much for your time.